Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, we've done cheesesteak episodes before. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So we have done cheesesteak episodes before, and we've talked about the history, 1930s, hot dog cart, Pat and Harry Oliveri. Had to reference Wikipedia. Yeah, Pat and Harry Oliveri. You know, have you read the article on Wikipedia about cheesesteaks? The reference section, 35 different references for that. The reference section's longer than the rest of the article. But anyway, so tonight we're gonna do a variation on that. I'm gonna come public with something. Maybe I shouldn't, but I'm going to. Charlotte has a problem. She does. She likes to buy chicken boobs like you cannot freaking believe. We got chicken boobs all over the damn place. So we're gonna make some chicken cheesesteak tonight. Now I know chicken steak, yeah, what else do you call it? A Philly chicken sandwich? I don't know. I'm gonna call it a chicken cheesesteak. So we're gonna try and get rid of some of these damn chicken boobs. They're everywhere. All right, so the first thing I need to do is get some stuff together. We're going to take a couple onions and, as always, down in the description is all of the ingredients and the instructions. We wouldn't do you wrong. But anyway, I need these cut thinly. Next, I need 2 different colors of peppers sliced thinly, just like the onions. We don't do green in this house because, you know, they make the director bloat up. She don't like that. So we got orange and red. All right, 2 more prep things to do. We are gonna get some provolone. So what you wanna do is go to your deli and get the biggest slice you can for the weight you need. I asked for a half a pound, 0.495 pounds. You got it in 1 slice there. Because we're gonna grate it. And if you don't get it from the deli, you're gonna have those thin pieces and it's hard as hell to grate those. So this makes life much easier, which we all need. All right, last thing we need to do is take our chicken breasts and we're gonna cut them into thin strips, something you'd want on a sandwich. All right, that's it. That's all the prep. And here I have a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of smoked paprika. Let's get to cooking. All right, now we're down to just the cooking. So first thing we're gonna do is get ourselves some olive oil, get that in a good sized skillet. And get that heating until it shimmers. All right, we're shimmering, so in goes the onions and the peppers. Very gracefully, not to spill a damn one of them. Get those in there. And we're going to cook these until they're good and soft, probably about 5 to 10 minutes. To help that out, I'm going to get a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper. As my peppers are cooking there, let's get the bread ready. So, we found that sourdough bread does not bug the director like other glutens do. So, I have a sourdough baguette here because I was unable to find sourdough hoagies. But we're gonna get this out here. Good crispy outside, good tender inside. This is gonna work great. You can use whatever bread flips your lid. This would probably be good on a ciabatta bun or a soft hoagie. So I'm happy where my onions and peppers are, so I'm going to take them and set them aside on a baking dish. And then we're going to hit the pan with some more olive oil. And once again, let it shimmer. Now we're going to add our chicken, and we'll do our best to get these in a single layer. We're doing that because one of the keys to a fantastic Philly cheesesteak sandwich is getting the meat right and having some crispy bits in there, having some good texture. We're going to do that with the chicken. And we got our single layer here. I'm going to sprinkle on some Italian seasoning. And some smoked paprika. And we're going to let these set for a few minutes on that one side. That's why we got it in one layer here, and get a little bit of crust on it. So we have that texture we're looking for. All right, so they've been on that one side for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to start stirring these and getting them mixed up here. Get the other sides cooked. All right, chicken's almost where I want it, so goes back in. The onions and peppers goes back in. Get those all mixed together. Now in goes our cheese. We're going to take our heat down to low. Mix this in a little bit. Okay, put the lid on and give it about 2 or 3 minutes for the cheese to melt. All right, let's get this thing put together. So, first of all, don't judge us. We love the Kewpie mayo. So I'm going to put down a layer of Kewpie mayo. All right, you can judge us if you want. Just don't tell me about it. And then we'll get some of our fine fixins on the sandwich. All right, it is time for the judgment.
Very good.
Cheesy enough?
I like cheese, but it's cheesy.
Good. Just like me. Hey, hope you like what you saw today. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, never miss an episode. Thank you so much for joining us. Hey, down in the comments, what's your favorite type of sandwich? Maybe we'll give it a try. Till we see you next time. Fair winds and following seas.